Hey, my friend, it's Cameron Malcolmson here, and in this video, I'm going to break down 2 6-figure per month businesses that you can model for your own online business. And basically, I'm going to show you on the screen here that what websites are, what products they're selling, what their income is, and how much their expenses are. So you might be thinking like, oh, how can someone actually make 6 figures per month, or something that gets here, just one guy start off this internet thing and build it up to that? Well, this is what I'm going to show you in this video, my friend. So if you can see on my screen here, I'm going to jump into this case study, these kind of case studies. So the very first website I'm going to show you is called smartpassiveincome.com, and it's run by a guy called Pat Flynn, and he used to post these very frequently, but now he doesn't post them as much. And I've got one of his income reports here. So this website follows the basic principles which I preach about all the time, and it's like build your own thing, have control, and don't depend on anyone or anything. Okay, and this is where this guy has actually built his own like central place online, like his hub, which is called Smart Passive Income, and he brings everybody to here, and he sells affiliate products, he sells educational products, he sells his own products, all this different type of stuff. So basically he's doing what I'm sharing with you, and I have been sharing with you for a long time now. And hopefully if you stick to the end of this video, my friend, you're going to find out how you can actually do this for yourself, and I'm going to give you some cool resources. So you can see here from this guy's website, which was Smart Passive Income, his net earnings. So this is from, I think it was like 2017, and you can see that current month, 1 month, he made $125,000, 800, and his gross earnings was 166. So you can see here that this business expenses, it's got a high profit margin there. Like his expenses is like not even 40,000 to be able to make 6 figures in a month. Now I'm going to show you here. You can see affiliate earnings. What he was selling Aweber, ConvertKit, Bluehost, Lead Pages, Samcart, Teachable, and he made $105,000 that month just from affiliate commissions. And you can see that he made $22,000 from that product. He made $300 from that there, made $16.20. So you see that he's making like big commissions, little commissions, smaller commissions, like $16.20, but it all adds up, my friend. And that's only the affiliate commissions, okay? And the next thing was selling books. So he was selling Let Go ebook, Amazon Kindle, which he made $72 there. Then he was selling Will It Fly, Amazon Kindle, so that's his own book. Let's see, that was $413. Then he has his own course sales, which he made $40,000 there. He has additional niche sites, Power Up podcasts. Then he has software and apps. So you can see there that he's got his own theme in that there. He made $935 there. Total income from software and apps was like 10 grand. So this is all the different things that he sold that month and made money with to be able to generate $166,000 in gross earnings. Now after he made that money, what did he have to pay out? So here's all his gross expenses, which was a total of $40,000. So you can see that he had professional services, and he had web services, so storage and hosting, and then he had web services subscriptions, and that there. So in the professional services, the biggest expense there was developers, assistants, and writers. So that's pretty much like a content team. And when you start out, you won't have really a content team. You'll build up to that there, and then eventually you'll be able to get more done with your team and all that air cool stuff, and you'll be able to grow into 6 figures. So let's see, he had book sales, not that there. Let's see, he also was paying out for content delivery services. You can see there, video and film and editing, he paid $5,500. So them two there, there's like 30, and that's like 5, so that's like 35,000 there just for like a content team and video editing, which was your biggest expense looking like there. And then with the web storage and that there, the biggest thing he was paying for was hosting payments and domain renewals, which was $285 that month. And then he had web subscriptions. Zoom and things like this here. So this was the Smart Passive Income report, and you can see that this business is pretty lean. Here is the second example, my friend, and it's called eofire.com, and this is Entrepreneurs on Fire, and this guy posts his income reports every single month, but he gets it verified with his accountant. So if you read through his report, it actually says that his accountant verifies all this here and does all the checks, and it's he has all the expenses, everything in his monthly income report. So I want to show you what that looks like here, and I might have to show you on this here one. So this here income report, this website is doing pretty much the same things as the website I showed you before, and all the things that I've been talking about on CameronLimitless.com. So you can see here that this website here, Entrepreneurs on Fire, its total income was $170,000 that month. His total expenses was $33,000, which netted him $137,444. So that's 6 figures in a single month profit, which is really cool. So of net profit to the growth overall revenue, that's like 81% profit margins, which is really good. You know, some physical businesses and service businesses, you don't get profit margins looking like that. So this is why this is really cool, my friend, for someone individual or even a few people to build something like this together and be able to build something around what their product, passion or idea is, and promote their product or service if they're a local business. So all the income, so let's see, July income breakdown, total journal sales, so that's his like journals, he sold 503 of them there, which totaled 15,000. Okay, and that was the breakdown of the journals here. And he was selling, let's see, real revenue, turn your big idea into real revenue. He generated 22,000 there, and he was selling podcast sponsorship. So he got sponsored on his podcast, that was 74,000. Then let's see, podcast lunch audiobook, he made $160 there. Free courses that contributed to above revenue, so he was giving away 3 free courses. His affiliate income here was 57,108, and let's see, resources for entrepreneurs was 26,000. Courses for entrepreneurs 28,000. So you can see here that Amazon Associates, he got paid $134. So you can see here that he's pretty much selling similar things. He's selling online courses, information products, little journals and things like this here. And this is kind of what you want to do, my friend. So once you've generated your leads and you've built your lead magnet, you're going to want to sell them your own flagship tripwire offer, and I'm going to break down the numbers for you here in a second, because hopefully you got these 2 income reports. I'm going to leave the link to them below in this video. The only way that you're going to be able to get them, like I said before, is if you're inside the Inner Circle Vault. The only way you can get that is by being a part of the Inner Circle. Depending on where you're watching this video, we'll leave a link for you where you can get access to the Inner Circle. So I'm going to give you these 2 income reports. You can go even to the websites as well, but the third thing I want to cover for you is really this here, and this is the Limitless Lifestyle cheat sheet, and it's pretty much what we covered here when we're covering an income report. So what you can do is you can go out there and add in your income. So let's say, for example, this would be like a business plan. You could say that, okay, you're going to sell a course, your own course, about whatever it is you want to do it around, and you're going to sell it for $97. So the first month you'll probably not make anything because you're building everything in that there, so you're getting everything together. Then you've got things put together in that there. Then in the second month you make 10 sales. Now it's important that you have a certain structure in place, but say you make 10 sales, that's $970, but that's 10 sales in a single month, $970. It's not 6 figures a month. So what you have to do is you want to incorporate a little bit of ascension in your business. So let's say, for example, you might have the conceptual course, which is $97, but then you've got people who actually want to actually do it. They want to learn how to do it, so they want to go to the next level and they want to get the VIP treatment, my friend. So what they'll do, say 10% decide to get the second level course, which for in this example would be the Fast Implementation Bootcamp for CamenLimitless.com. Now, let's say you got 10 sales your first month, your second month, and 2 sales of your Fast Implementation Bootcamp. Now, the Fast Implementation Bootcamp, that goes up to like $794. So that's nearly $1,764 you've made that month. Now, really, what you want to know is your expenses. So if we scroll down here, you can see that it's coming in at $143 in order to be able to build everything that I'm explaining to you. Okay, so the first month you're paying $143. It's going to be a little bit less if you're, depending on what currency you're using. If you're using pounds, it'll be less than that there. But basically, you're going to earn $1,746 just from 10 sales, because you're not promoting these 2 courses separately, because it's done in a certain way, my friend. So for the same amount of effort that you're going to put in to generating 10 sales, you're going to make an additional $794 just because you knew this strategy. So what you can do is you can add in your affiliate income here. So you can add in your income stream from whatever affiliate products that you want to promote inside your course, okay? And what you can do is add them in here, and you'll get a feel for being able to make it to 6 figures. So let's say if we want to go up here, let's say for example you sell 60 of your courses. Let's say 1 month you're selling 300 copies of your course. So what's 300? Maybe that's like 10 a day or something like that for 30 days. If you can sell 10 copies of your course for 30 days in a row, working out on this math, the 10% of people will ascend into your second level course, which is going to be your implementation course, your actual how-to course, where your level 1 course will be your conceptual course. Just by implementing this here, you'll make an additional 23,000. So in total, for 10 sales a day for 30 days, selling a $97 product, then selling a $397 product, you can make it to $52,920 per month with only about $823 in expenses, because expenses doesn't really change that much. It doesn't go up that much. Yes, it'll go up, but it doesn't go up a lot compared to how much your income can go up. So just for an example, say you built everything and you get your ads running and you start going and you start and get to the point where you can generate 10 sales a day for your internet business. You're halfway there to 6 figures in a month. Maybe not 6 figures profit just yet, but you're halfway there to 6 figures per month. And this is how you do it, my friend. Hope you enjoyed this bonus video. If you want this cheat sheet and the 2 income reports, you want to go to the link below. I'm going to leave the links for you if you're inside the Inner Circle Vault. If not, you're going to get to see a link of where you can join the Inner Circle Vault. And this was it for this bonus video. In the next one, I'm going to show you examples of landing pages and how you can actually model some of the best landing pages out there for your own business, and really start to learn how do you generate leads to be able to sell your own online course, my friend. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great one. Bye bye.